Good morning, my love. Still feeling sleepy?
Good morning, Daddy. I'm so sleepy.
Come on, get up and have breakfast. It's the start of the week.
Oh my God. Why did the weekend go by so fast, Daddy? I wish every day was a holiday.
Oh no, you had a lot of fun during the weekend already. Now it's time to go to school. Don't worry, the next weekend will come soon.
Okay, Daddy. I'm getting up right now.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Ben.
Did you do your homework?
Huh? There was homework?
Yes, the teacher gave us homework last week.
Oh no. I totally forgot. I was playing all weekend.
Where did you go?
I went to the park in Los Angeles. Then I came home, watched cartoons, and fell asleep.
Uh-oh. You might have to stay after class today to finish your homework.
Oh my gosh.